All right, now let's look at the intermediate value theorem. This is an existence theorem. It doesn't tell you how to get the numbers. It just tells you it exists. So let's read what it says. It says if f is continuous, so here's my function f and it's continuous, there are no breaks. It's nice and continuous on a closed interval. Now this is very important. The interval has to be closed. So you remember you have to check the endpoints as well. Here's my b. All right. And k is any number between fa and fb. So I have fa and I have fb, and you can pick absolutely any number you want right in here, and we're going to call that k. Then there exists at least one number in C, all right, between A and B, such that the function of f evaluated at C is equal to k. So this is an example of why this needs to be continuous. You see, this has a discontinuity at this point, and we'll call this C. All right. There is a k in this break where even though C is between A and B, the value of k is not between fa and fb. Now, why in the world this is important? You can use the intermediate value theorem to show that things have zeros, functions have zeros. So let's look at our polynomial. F of x is x squared minus 4x plus 3. Now we want to show that it has at least one zero in this interval. We're not going to graph it. We're going to pretend like this is a function we can't sketch. So let's find f evaluated at 2. That's 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 3. So it's 4 minus 8 plus 3. So that's what? Negative 1 plus 3. So this is negative 1. F at 4, now I'm checking the endpoints, is equal to 4 squared minus 4 times 4 plus 3. That cancels, so we're just left with plus 3. Now, what the intermediate value theorem says is that because, let's see, 0 is between f of 2 and f of 4, okay? So I've got my function here. It does something. And because I know it's negative at f equals 2 and it is positive at f equals 4, all right, then because it's continuous, there has to be at least one zero. It doesn't tell me how many there is, but at least one zero between 2 and 4. So that means that there exists, that's my there exists function, at least one x such that, that's my such that sign, such that f of x is equal to 0. Because 0 is between f2 and f4. Now you can write it out. You don't have to use my symbols. All right, your turn. Use the intermediate value theorem to show that this has at least one real solution. When you're done, turn off the tape, finish your homework. Have a great evening.